Shut up. This is so cute. Super good quality. Hello, motherfucker. I just got a package from Fansidea. Let's open her up. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I got baby daddy a jersey, Victor Tay, Big 21. Yes, he gonna wear it on his birthday because he Big 21. Let's see you put it on, baby. Good. Hey, so cute.
It's plain. I just went with the black and gray, but
It still looks sexy though. It's giving Big Daddy. It's giving saucy fly stuff. My too humble, too real jersey, because you know we keep it too humble and too real. And I got the 05 on the back because I'm a 05 baby. Shut up. This is so cute. Super good quality and so flowy. Like, it doesn't have that scratchy material that jerseys usually have. And it even has the little Velcro here, so you make sure that it stays lined up like per. Clock it. Baby, you don't need to be a baseball player to rock these jerseys. They're pretty much good for any event, from birthday parties to anniversaries, shit, even family vacations. Did someone say customized shirts? Because you're only going to get the best if you buy from the best. This is my too humble, too real jersey. And you know we repping positive vibes. You better go get yours now. Girl, what you waiting for?